Hello students, Standard 8, Chapter number 9, Algebraic Expressions and Identities. In last few sessions we learned about the multiplication of different polynomials. Like first we learn about the monomial by another monomial. Then we learn to multiply monomial by a binomial using the distributive law. Then after that we learn to multiply a binomial by another binomial. Now one step ahead, today we are going to understand to multiply binomial by a trinomial. Means there will be one of them a binomial and the other one is trinomial. So it is also same like that we did in binomial with a binomial, that each term of both expressions will be multiplied with each term of the other expression also. So here also we have to multiply each of the three terms of a trinomial by each of the two terms in binomial. So two terms and three terms, so all terms will be multiplied with each other. So we will total get 6 terms. We will get 3 times 2, 6 terms. And then by simplifying the like terms, if there are some like terms, we have to simplify that like terms. So that 6 terms can be reduced to 5 or 4 terms also. It depends. If there are some like terms, then we have to bring them together and simplify. If there are no like terms, there will be total 6 terms there. Let us understand with an example. A plus 7 multiplied by a square plus 3a plus 5. So you can see that here a plus 7 have 2 terms, so it is a binomial, and a square plus 3a plus 5 it has 1, 2 and 3 terms, so it's a trinomial. So binomial by a trinomial. So now as we did first term of the first a into bracket the whole second bracket a square plus 3a plus 5 plus 7 again multiplied by the whole bracket a square plus 3a plus 5. Now as we did monomial with the trinomial, a will be multiplied with all of them. So you need not write down to separate now, because otherwise it will be a very long, so you can directly multiply. A into a square is a cube plus a into 3a means 3a into a is 3a square plus a into 5 means 5a. Similarly, here 7 multiplied by a square is 7a square plus 7 multiplied by 3a, so 7 3s are 21a plus 7 5s are 35. So now you don't have to don't have to multiply each term separately to write down. You can directly also do them. So now here you can see that here also a square and here also a square. So they are like term. So we bring them together. 3a square plus 7a square. And then here also a and a. So 5a plus 21 and they are also have like term. So we put them into a bracket and then 35 like. So by simplifying we get a cube plus 3 plus 7 10. So 10a square plus 26a plus 35. So by this way we can multiply them. Let us take another example. Example number 10 in the book. Simplify. So what we have to simplify? A plus b, second bracket 2a minus 3b plus c minus 2a minus 3b multiplied by c. So now here it is a binomial with a trinomial, and here it is a monomial with a binomial. So we have to expand them separately, and then we will see what when we do. So here first for those two, a into bracket 2a minus 3b plus c plus b, again same bracket 2a minus 3b plus c, minus, here you can see that monomial is at the back, binomials you can reverse it, c into bracket 2a minus 3b for our convenience. So now here a into 2a will 2a square minus a into 3b, that will be 3ab, plus a into c, ac. So a is multiplied with all the three terms here. So 2a square minus 3ab plus ac. Now b will be multiplied with all of them here. So b into 2a is 2ab minus b into 3b. Why minus? Because here minus sign. So 3b into b means 3b square, and plus bc minus. Now there is minus sign and we are going to open the bracket. So be careful to change the sign. So now c into 2a is 2ac, but minus minus it will be plus here, and c into 3b, that will be 3bc. So now you don't need to put the brackets also now, because you already changed the sign also. Now check if there are any like terms. You can see that here also AC and AC, BC and BC. So first we will write down that one 2a square. That one also don't have, so minus 3b square. Now all of them have the like terms, so we will bring them together. Minus 3ab plus 2ab, and then plus AC minus 2AC, and plus BC plus 3BC. So now they are single, so 2A square minus 3B square. Now minus 3AB plus 2AB. Minus 3AB plus 2AB, then different sign, so subtraction 3 minus 2 is 1. So AB, and greater number a minus sign, so minus AB. Similarly here also AC minus 2AC, so also will be 1 minus 1AC. But here both are plus, so 1 plus 3, there will be 4BC. So here the answer is like that. 2a square minus ab. In the book the answer is like the some terms are not in the same order, but the terms, it is not important to have that terms should be in the same sequence. Now we are going to start exercise 9.4. Question 1 is multiply the binomials. First one, 2x plus 5 and 4x minus 3. So now 2x plus 5 multiplied by 4x minus 3. Now as we saw before, both terms will be multiplied with this. So first 2x multiplied by 4x minus 3 plus 5 multiplied by 4x minus 3. So first step is to multiply both the terms of the first binomial with the second binomial. Then by the distributive property, distributive law, 2x into 4x. You can directly also write down 2 4s are 8, x into x is x square. Minus 2x into 3. So 2 3s are 6x. Now this one plus 5 into 4x. So 5 4s are 20x. Minus 5 into 3. 5 3s are 50. Now you can see that they are like terms. So is equal to 8x square minus 6 plus 20, opposite sign. So subtraction with 20 minus 6 is 14x. But greater number is 20, so sign will be positive minus 15. That is your answer. Second one. Y minus 8 and 3y minus 4. So here y minus 8 multiplied by 3y minus 4. So here y into bracket 3y minus 4 minus 8 bracket 3y minus 4. So now y multiplied by 3y is 3y square minus 4y. Now here there is minus sign, so there will be very important to remember. 8 is a 24y, but here because of that minus it will be minus minus plus. 8 4s are 32. Again there are like terms, so 3y square. Now both are negative, so we have to add 24 plus 4 is 28, and greater number is minus sign. So minus 28y plus 32. That will be the answer. Third one. Third one is 2.5L minus 0.5M and 2.5L plus 0.5M. So now is equal to 2.5L minus 0.5M multiplied by 2.5L plus 0.5M. So now 2.5L into second bracket 2.5L plus 0.5M minus 0.5M again into bracket same 2.5L plus 0.5M. Now this 2.5L will be multiplied with 2.5L first. 2.5 into 2.5 means 25 into 25 is 625. And 2.5 into 2.5, so it will be 6.25 L square. Then 2.5 L into 0.5 L. So 2.5 into 5, 0.5. 25 5 is a 125 and 2 decimals, so plus 1.25 LM minus same here again 2.55 1.25 LM, and because of plus here it will be minus of this sign. So 0.5 into 0.5, the 5 5s are 25, so it will be 0.25 M square. Now here you can see that the like terms are opposite of each other. 1.25 LM minus 1.25 LM are having the same digits but opposite signs, so it will be 0. So is equal to 6.25 L square minus 0.25 M square. Fourth one is plus 3b. It is looking simple, 5th and 4th. So 4th and 5th you can do for homework. But the 6th one now we are going to do. It is because there are some fractions, so I am taking it. 3 upon 4 a square plus 3b square multiplied by 4 into bracket a square minus 2 upon 3b square. Here you can see that there is 4 here also. So first what will we do? 4 we will multiply in that bracket and then we will simplify. So first bracket you will keep as it is, but 4 here will be multiplied inside. So 4a square minus 4 2s are 8 upon 3b square. Now we will follow the same rule here. So 3 by 4a square into bracket 4a square minus 8 upon 3b square plus 3b square into again 4a square minus 8 upon 3b square. Here you can see that 3 by 4 into 4, 4 will be cancelled. So 3 a square into a square means 3a raised to 4. Again I am explaining you 3 by 4a square multiplied by 4a square. So here 4 and 4 cancel and 3 a square into a square it means a raised to 4. So it is 3a raised to 4 minus 3 by 4 into 8 by 3. You can see 3 cancel, 4 2s are 8. So 2. So minus 2 a square b square. You can do verbally also if you can do, otherwise you can do yourself in the rough. 3 into 4, 3 4s are 12 a square b square and plus minus 3 into 8 by 3, 3 cancel. So 8 b square into b square is b raised to 4. Here these are the like terms, a square b square. So 3a raised to 4. Now opposite sign, so 12 minus 2 is 10 and greater number have plus sign. So plus 10 a square b square minus 8 b raised to 4. So that will be the answer. So here we can stop our today's session, followed by the PDF, and if any confusion, write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.